Welcome to Fun, the show where the Y and W is still silent and we make fun of our mistakes. Today I hit 10 subscribers. Yay! Let's be serious, 10 subscribers are great, but since my videos have more views than subscribers, I highly suggest you go ahead and click subscribe now. Did you? Great. For all the people here since I started my channel, like 4 days ago, you might notice that I just f***ed up my first video's audio. So today's video is about how to save f***ed up audio. And to demonstrate this, I just gonna f*** up this audio, shall we? This, ladies and gentlemen, is my audio recorder. And if I crank up the volume, Greenie will start to really hate me because it's showing red now, which means my audio is clipping. So I'm going back. And that's basically everything I had to do in this episode. I just completely f***ed up the audio and now it's time for our editor to fix it. So, Greenie, here you go.
I really do hate this guy. He obviously has no idea what he's talking about because this bad boy is supposed to not clip because there's a built-in anti-clip mechanism. So I don't know what we shall do now. So for all of you who don't know what clipping actually is, clipping is when the sound wave hits the top limit and the amplifier tries to create the voltage beyond its capacity. The sound is just distorted and isn't the real thing you recorded. So that's basically what clipping means. To prove my point that this guy is a bad boy, I think we're just gonna take a look at the sound waves of the file and see if it clipped or not. There we go. This is the exact moment when the guy tried to f*** up and f***ed up by trying to f*** up. So let's take a listen.
Greenie will start to really hate me because it's showing red now, which means my audio is clipping. So I'm going back.
No, it's not clipping at all, and I can tell from looking at the sound wave. Because if it would be clipping, those waves would hit the top or be on a flat line. But neither of those is the case with this audio file. So I have to do everything myself now and create a clipped example. So let's take a look at a truly clipped example.
Hey, I know we're in the middle of something, but it can't be that interesting. I mean, look at him. So I just wanted to remind you, if you like the video, hit like, consider subscribing or even sharing this video. Also follow me on Instagram. Yeah, that's everything. Back to the boring part.
So this is my audio file. Let's take a listen.
This is a truly clipped audio file.
Oh yeah, it really is clipped. And I can tell from looking at the waves. As we just said, those waves are clipped because they're hitting the top. So what can we do if we get an audio file like this? At the first place, try to nail the volume at recording. Because what's clipped isn't there and it's gonna make everything harder to sound good. So if you can, go and make it right from the beginning. But if we have something like this and we cannot go back, we can actually use some tools from Adobe Audition, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, go to the amplitude statistics, click scan, and this will scan the entire file. We got 3,771 possibly clipped samples. That is a lot for a clip which is like 2 seconds long. So what we actually can do now is go to diagnostics, go to effect, hit declipper because it's what we want, and then set the preset to heavily clipped because this example is heavily clipped. And hope for the best by scanning again. And repair all. Audition is applying some magic and is calculating the clipped parts and tries to figure out what could have been there. So let's take a listen at this repaired file.
This is a truly clipped audio file. This is a truly clipped audio file. This is a truly clipped audio file.
Well, actually, it sounds a lot better. Not perfect, but it isn't clipped anymore. We have some sort of distortion, but we could get rid of this with some filter, EQ and stuff. But that's something for another video. So what we actually did, we just declipped a clipped file. And that's That's huge. That's huge. We did this in like 2 minutes. Have you any idea what it took like 15 years ago to declip sound? So if you ever fucked up your audio levels and it's not too bad, yeah, try to declip and get some EQ magic over it. And it should actually work. Well, what do you say, huh?
And once again, Greenie saved my ass. Thanks for that. Consider subscribing to my channel, hit like if you liked the video, follow me on Instagram because I need followers and subscribers. So with you we could be 11 tomorrow. So hit subscribe to the YouTube thing, hit the bell. I guess that's everything. Bye.